Wait a second. Tom, is that really you?
Emma? Wow, I can't believe it. It's been, what, 10 years?
Maybe even longer. You look the same, except now with more gray hair.
And you still have that same big smile. I knew it was you from across the street.
This is crazy. What are you doing here in London?
I live just around the corner. I come to this park every weekend. And you?
My new job is here in London. I moved back last year for work. I missed the rain.
You missed the rain? Now I know you're joking.
A little, but I do like the cool weather and the tea.
Ah, yes, tea. You still drink 5 cups a day?
6 now. I'm a professional.
Do you remember school? You always brought tea in a big thermos.
And you always forgot your books.
And you always reminded the teacher about homework.
I was a good student, Tom. You needed someone to help you.
True. I'd have failed maths without you.
I should have charged you.
That would have made you rich.
So, are you working now?
Yes, I work from home. I write funny emails to boring people.
Sounds like a dream job.
And you?
I work for a small company. I help with projects and talk too much in meetings.
Hmm. Some things never change.
Speaking of change, remember when we got lost in the woods?
Yes, you had a map, but held it upside down.
I was only 10 and you were following me. So whose fault was it?
I blame the squirrels. They looked suspicious.
You haven't changed at all.
Still funny. Still hungry. Want to grab a coffee?
Only if I can add 2 sugars and make it very, very strong.
I like my coffee weak, like my willpower.
You pick the place and I'll complain about it. Deal?
Perfect. Let's go before the weather gets angry.
It's really good to see you again.
You too. Life surprises us in nice ways sometimes.
So tell me, what's life like for you these days?
Well, I wake up, make tea, read the news, and try to look busy.
Sounds like a full-time job already.
Oh, yes, I'm a master of looking busy. My boss thinks I'm working even when I'm just watching cat videos.
Important research, I'm sure.
Very important. And you, what's your daily routine like?
Hmm. I wake up early, drink tea, of course, and go to the office.
Office? That's old school.
I like people, but meetings can be boring.
I hear you. Zoom calls are just an excuse to wear pajamas and talk about nothing.
At least your cat joins the meeting. Mine just sits on the keyboard.
Classic cat move. So, do you still go running in the mornings?
I do, but now I run slower, like a lazy turtle.
A turtle in running shoes. I like that image.
What about you? Any new hobbies?
I started baking bread, cake, cookies.
Tom the Baker? That's new.
I even gave myself a chef's hat. Very official.
And do you eat everything you bake?
Every single crumb.
I believe it. You were always hungry in school.
Still am. Speaking of food, I've also started growing vegetables.
Really? That's impressive.
I grew one tomato last year. Just one.
One perfect tomato?
It was small and a bit green, but it was mine.
I'm proud of you. Even if the tomato wasn't.
Thank you. So, what about your weekends?
I go to the market, watch old movies, and try new tea flavors.
Still the tea queen.
Always. And I call my mom every Sunday.
That's sweet. I call mine when I forget how to cook pasta.
Oh, Tom.
Hey, boiling water is harder than it looks.
Life is different now, but I like it.
Me too. It's quieter, but not boring.
Especially with friends like you around.
Aw, now you'll make me cry in public.
Do you remember the old park near our school?
The one with the broken swings and the angry goose?
Yes, that goose chased everyone.
It had more control over that park than the teachers did.
I still remember you hiding behind me.
Hey, I was protecting you with strategy.
Hiding is not a strategy, Tom.
It is when a goose is running at full speed.
Fair point. What about our old teacher, Mr. Hill?
Mr. Hill, the one who wore the same brown jacket every day?
And smelled like coffee and chalk?
He always told the same joke every Monday.
Oh, why did the student eat his homework?
Because the teacher said it was a piece of cake.
He laughed harder than we did.
Much harder. But he was kind.
Yes, he once gave me a book just because I liked the library.
He gave me detention because I used the library to hide and nap.
Some things never change.
What about our school trip to the coast?
Oh, yes. The bus broke down.
And we ate only crisps and juice for lunch.
You traded your crisps for my sandwich.
It was a good deal. That sandwich had magic in it.
It was just cheese and tomato.
But made by you, the honor student.
I remember you lost your shoe in the sea.
The sea took it. It's probably still floating somewhere.
Or being worn by a very stylish fish.
A fish with taste.
Do you remember the talent show?
Oh, no. Don't bring that up.
You sang Yellow Submarine in a shark costume.
I thought it would be cool. I was very wrong.
But everyone loved it. You got the loudest applause.
I think they were laughing at me, not with me.
Maybe, but it was still brave.
Thanks. I guess we were fun kids.
Silly, noisy, but kind.
We had no smartphones, just silly games and imagination.
And a goose that ruled the playground.
I missed that chaos a little bit.
Me too. It made us who we are.
Just two silly friends, drinking coffee, still laughing after all these years.
I'm really glad we met today.
Me too. It felt like no time has passed.
Except now we talk more about tea and naps.
And fewer school tests and scary geese.
Still, I missed this. Just chatting and laughing.
Same. It's good for the soul.
Do you see your old friends often?
Not really. Most are busy or live far away, or both.
Yeah, life takes people in different directions.
But it's nice when paths cross again.
Like today.
Exactly.
What are you doing next weekend?
Probably yelling at pigeons and playing sad songs on the ukulele.
Sounds like a full schedule.
Very busy man. I might also watch a documentary about cheese.
That's educational?
Extremely. I need to expand my cheese knowledge.
Want to meet again? We could try cooking something.
Like beans on toast?
Or something with actual flavor.
Deal. We can cook at my place. I have an oven that works most of the time.
Impressive. I'll bring dessert.
And I'll bring my smoke alarm.
It'll be fun. Same time next week?
Perfect. And if we survive the cooking, maybe a walk after.
As long as there are no angry geese.
I'll bring a stick just in case.
And I'll bring a helmet.
Smart thinking. What dessert will you bring?
Maybe chocolate cake. Or something easy, like cookies.
Make both for safety.
For safety?
I believe in dessert insurance.
Thanks for the laughs today, Tom.
Thank you, Emma. You made my boring Saturday not boring.
That's what friends are for.
Thank you, Emma. See you next weekend?
Definitely.
All right, Tea Queen. Take care.
And you, Chef Tom, don't burn the house down.
No promises.
Life is better with silly friends.
And good food.